Um, Hello everybody, Captain Clamp here. Don't know how to explain this. I'm in New Hampshire, at the MacDowell Colony, which is a colony not of settlers, but of artists, because, well, I'm retired now, and I've decided I'm going to write my memoirs. So I wrote to the MacDowell. I asked if they could put me up for a little while I wrote my memoirs. I sent them a video of my show, Jolly Ship the Whiz-Bang, the show about my life. But the problem I'm experiencing now is that I don't know how to read or write. So I'm going to take the first week or so here to try to teach myself. Let me show you something. Let's move this over. Yeah. So I got this literacy machine at the dollar store, and I'm going to try to teach myself with it. I've been practicing a little bit. Let's just see how I do. All right. C is for snake. Cat. Okay. Didn't get that one. All right. D is for snake. One of these is snake. I remember from before. Anyhow, it might take me a little while, a couple days, to learn the letters, but then I'll learn the words, and next week I'll start writing my memoir. No problem. No problem.